takeaway from the trading battle between Kathy and I is that crypto is really not a proper asset to trade against NFPs. Even though it's a highly volatile asset, it really isn't a risk-on, risk-off asset like Lien or NASDAQ CFDs. It's very much in its own universe. It doesn't really react to fundamental data. So when you're trading fundamental data, crypto is really not your best trade to make.
The first trading battle was so much fun because I traded non-farm payrolls proactively, which means putting on the trade before the number was released. This is actually one of my favorite ways to trade news, particularly non-farm payrolls, because the outcome can be so volatile. I did the homework on this trade, dissected the leading indicators for NFPs, data went my way, and so did the trade.
Fantastic. Let's kick off the first challenge because we're 10 minutes into the live stream now. Let's put your words into action. This first challenge is going to be based on a preview of the non-farm payroll figures, what you expect to see from the data, also known as what Boris calls a YOLO trade.
So we'll take a YOLO trade on Bitcoin, the ultimate YOLO product and the ultimate YOLO trade to substitute, because Bitcoin never stops trading, and it certainly should have a reaction if we get a good number.
Yeah, certainly. And with 3.5 minutes to go, is there a third trade you'd like to place, Kathy?
I think that I think having two exposure is good enough for such a high risk data. Now, we talk a lot about how non-farm payrolls is hands down the most market, or one of the most market moving pieces of economic reports. But quite honestly, in recent months, or for the past almost the past year, we've actually seen decreasing significance or decreasing market movingness. And I think the reason for that is because, for some time we had those weaker NFPs numbers. Everyone was looking forward. They were looking forward to the recovery once the restrictions were eased. And now we have the market already discounting or already anticipating really good data. So even if we have a weak report, if it's just the headline number, the other ones aren't so bad.